Geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 5 ocean currents. Our geography, the name of our lesson number 5 ocean currents. In last videos we completed some points. This experiment figure 5.1 completed in last video. Can you tell? Then figure 5.2 map showing the distribution of toys in this ocean. Also completed in last video. Figure 5.3 a toy duck. Then next point horizontal surface ocean currents completed in last video. Figure 5.4 ocean currents. Then 5.6 deep ocean currents. In last video completed this point. Now let us start effect of ocean surface currents on human life. What effects of ocean surface currents on human life? Here we explain this point. Ocean currents especially affect the climate of the regions having proximity to the sea. In cold regions where warm ocean currents flow, climate become warmer. In cold region, what change warm ocean currents flow? Climate becomes warmer. In some regions the amount of precipitation increases. In some region amount means quantity of precipitation increases. For example, the warm ocean currents flowing near Western Europe. Warm ocean currents flowing near Western Europe, Southern Alaska and Japanese coast reduces the intensity of the winters there and make them warmer. As a result, these parts do not freeze in winters. Then next, had ocean currents been absent, the ocean water could have remained still. In such waters, the biotic components would have been devoid of food. Consequently, marine life and its ecosystems would have been limited in its extent. Yes, student, had ocean currents been absent, the ocean water would have remained still. Ocean water would have remained still. In such water, the biotic components would have been devoid of food. Consequently, marine life and its ecosystem would have been limited in its extent. In region where cold and warm currents meet. In which region? Where cold and warm currents meet. Plankton, vegetation, algae, etc. grow. In region where cold and warm current meets, plankton, algae, etc. grow. There is food for fish. There is food for fish in the ocean water. Therefore, fish come here a large number and breed. Therefore, fish come here in large number. Due to the cold and warm current meet, the plankton, vegetation, algae grow. So, due to this point, this is food for fish. Therefore, fish come here large number because of food. And breed means born. This has in turn led to formation of large fishing grounds. This has in turn led to formation of large fishing grounds because of plankton, vegetation, algae are the food for fish. Grand Bank near the North American coast in Atlantic Ocean and Dogger Bank near the European coast are some of the examples. With respect to the water transport too, the ocean currents are very important. With respect to the water transport too, ocean currents are very important. If the transportation is done according to flow of ocean currents, the speed of the ships increases and fuel is saved too. If the transportation is done according to flow of ocean currents, speed of ships increase and fuel is saved too. Near the coast where cold currents flow, here student, where cold currents flow, amount of precipitation is low. Where cold current flow, the precipitation amount is very low. For example, in Peru, Chile and the arid desert of Southwest Africa. The example of this. For example, Peru, Chile and arid. This of the desert of the Southwest Africa. At place where the cold and warm currents meet. Thick fog is formed. Such fog creates problems for transportation. Destruction. Many problems create these fogs. The warm Gulf Stream and the cold Labrador currents meet near the Newfoundland Island. This leads to dense fog because of the cold currents. Icebergs are carried away from the polar areas. In such icebergs come along the marine routes. They are hazardous to the ship. Here the figure 5.5 deep ocean currents. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Then our next point is deep ocean currents. Here figure 5.6 is deep ocean currents. Water currents beyond the depth of 500 meters are known as the deep water ocean currents. These currents are formed due to the differences in temperature and density of water in different types of parts of ocean. This is known as thermohaline circulation. These currents flow till the seabed of the ocean. They flow like river continuously below the surface of the figure. See figure 5.5. In this 5.5, we understood some points, topic of Cancer and topic of Capricorn. They flow like the rivers continuously below the surface of sea. Figure 5.5.